boys, girls, Becky Bells, Shivi Bells, and Hope Yamani Popcorn. Char! Hello, it is currently December 6. Ang tagal. Oh, diba may dumatay na. Hey! Oh, we're having dinner with a friend. Ang ingay dito, diba? We're having dinner with my mom and dad's friends. Wow! Yung husband is from Australia. And it's currently my birthday. Oh my gosh. Diba? 27 ako. Hi po! Ang cute dito. Oh my gosh. First time dito. It's so cute. Yeah, so it's December 6 ngayon. Ang dami natin kailangan pagtsikahan. Ang dami na mga nangyari. Wala ba masyadong tao? Cute. I'll tour you around. Ang dami natin kailangan pagtsikahan. Ang tagal namin hindi nakapag-upload dahil na-busy kami. Currently, magkahiwalay kami ni Panky ngayon. She's in the US visiting her mom for 5 months. Iiwan niya ako for 5 months, guys. What? Tapos ngayon naman, I'm with my parents in Bohol. Wow! So, I'm staying with them. So, sana hindi sila maumay sa akin after ng 5 months. Okay, takwil na nila ako. So, anyway, we're having dinner. Sila nag-recommend itong place na to dahil cute nga siya. To be fair, cute nga siya. Oh, diyan ka guwapa. Oh, asa man ako ang cake? Ano mo mang cake? Oh, di ba? Oh, that's them.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Oh, he's our friend. Oh my gosh, it's my birthday. I'm 27 and getting old. That's why I have older.
She's a good woman.
Oh my gosh. That's why I have older group of friends now. Ang hirap chumika, napuputol yung chika ko. Tagal namin hindi nakapag-upload, pero i-edit ko yung mga pending namin, yung Manila trip namin, tapos i-upload ko. Para maaliw kayo sa mga naninaayan. Wow! Pero ano, wala akong cake today. Installment kasi itong celebration na to. So magkikake ako baka bukas pa. Gary and Daddy are like BFFs. They have a weird relationship. A love-hate relationship. See, I'm just letting them order. That's the benefit of having old people around you. See? Huh? No, mature people. As I grow older, my circle of friends are growing older too. Don't hold back. We order the whole menu. This is the first time we've been outside again.
She's my daughter. So.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. She can use
Oh,
it.
see? Oh.
No, we are alike.
Yeah.
Be careful. She's,
Yeah. I can also talk shit sometimes, you know?
Later.
Oh my gosh, ang tagal namin din nakapag-upload.
Yeah, that's good.
Dahil nga, don't mind me. Ay, nako, vlogger life. So anyway, matagal lang kami hindi nakapag-upload dahil na-busy mag-impake si Panky. Na-busy rin ako mag-impake and the logistics of it all. And for sure, tinamad ako. Tinamad ako mag-edit pero marami pa kaming pending na videos. So i-upload ko rin yun. Wala, para maaliw kayo sa mga nanonood, sa mga hindi nanonood. Di wag. Hindi ko pa na-try dito pero hopefully masarap yung food. Sabi naman nila masarap.
You want pasta too?
What do I recommend ba?
Carbonara or olive? Carbonara.
Yung bestseller niyo po yung carbonara. Sige, sa shrimp tayo. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Look at my beautiful parents. Oh. Yeah, boy! And then the love team number 2. See? I'm solo flight. Oh.
No, pizza.
They want pizza and this pasta.
Yan, ang tagal nila mag-decide. Diyos ko, Lord.
Usa ka meat overload. Sa inyo ha?
Overload said no.
Meat overload what? I don't want to overload.
Soon after.
We're not eating yet. Oh, this is Gary. And this is Tita Annalyn. Ate Annalyn. Wow! How long have you been together?
How long
Oh, she doesn't know. She's not sure anymore.
She knows, but she's still wondering if I know.
yeah.
6.5 years.
Oh my gosh! When's your anniversary? Oh no, he had to think about it.
February.
That you met each other in the Philippines, or is that also the time that you were online?
Online February.
Oh, see, they don't know the specifics, huh?
Well, there's such a lot gone on since then.
April 11. First meeting.
Oh, February 11.
Real life meeting.
Real life in person.
Yeah, real life.
Touchable.
Touch him.
April 11.
Ay, keep it PG-13. Uy. Ay, nako. Oh, 2017. Oh, next contender. Oh.
Very interesting, these people.
Yeah.
Honestly, you'll enjoy what they're going to say.
Oh, yeah.
Really enjoy
We
it.
are an example.
Oh, yes. They lead by example. This is my Daddy Rob, and Mommy Felma. The very beautiful. Oh, how long have you guys been together?
Answer properly.
Answer properly. How long? How long have you been
You're not
together?
looking in my eyes.
No, I'm looking at your reaction kasi. If you're off frame, I wouldn't know.
Okay.
If I get carried away,
So what
ba?
is your question?
How long have you been together?
January,
Ay, he
real
knows that.
life, touchable.
This sounds so
January
awkward.
4,
Oh.
it will be 8 years.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
And we
Diba?
met August before that. So
Oh my God. Oh, di ba?
actually we know each other more than 8 years.
Oy. Oo. Oo. O, di ba? Maybe it's time to stop. They've been together for so long na. There's time limit ba?
August 14th.
O, di ba?
That's the day
Oh.
we met.
Oh. Ang haba ng love story nila, guys.
Cebu. I was on my way from Malaysia to see her.
Wow, look at that. So beautiful naman, my mother. Oh.
Sparkling eyes.
Oo.
Sparkling eyes.
Oh, huh? Don't do any follow-up, huh? No more siblings for me, huh?
No.
No. we just get more dogs na lang.
Philippines. Good weather there at the moment. And I still 3 weeks going. And then there was a dating site. And I can talk with people there about the Philippines to get to know.
And explain
Philippines
your
a
love
little bit
story
better
nila, guys.
Before I decide anything. And that was the purpose with her actually. When we met, it turned out to be different.
Oh yeah, they talk for how many hours, and then
Lots and lots.
Original plan is to make me as the tour guide.
Yeah.
Okay.
We didn't know that. We didn't know that little bit.
yeah.
Wow, that's the
That was the purpose. So we met in Cebu.
Yeah, we actually didn't talk about anything the first time we chat.
No, only our
Yeah,
personal
because you see
things
each
that I
other right
was
away,
divorced and
Me,
living alone.
we've been
and,
talking for
one child.
14 months.
That was
14 months. Wow.
14 months.
You had to make sure, huh?
And we didn't even talk if are we gonna have a relationship or what.
no.
You just wanted to meet each other and take it from there. My
And
God.
start from there.
Yeah. Do you think, I'm not sure if it's true or not, love at first sight, you know, some people say it's true, some say it isn't. It must have been love at first sight because you wouldn't have, especially Robert I feel, wouldn't have travelled that distance, left his expedition that he was doing more or less, and I ran.
Yeah, he had a lot
I
of
don't
flights
know
to
if it
cancel.
was real love at first sight.
But it was attraction, it had to be real
It was a
attraction.
really strong attraction. Yeah.
Wow, oh my
for you.
God! So beautiful. Look at the side view, be. Side view, be. Show me the angles, ba? Oh my gosh! The love story, oh.
And then at the wedding, she took me a few days later back to Bohol because we had an anniversary, the wedding from her sister. So I met the whole family there, and I met Carlos for the first time.
Is that Carlo
And
Aquino?
Carlo Aquino, and he was smiling at me. He said, "What are you going to do?" I said, "I will be back beginning of next year." And I couldn't be sure because I still had to get my medical exam, and I still
And
had a
you still
job,
had
and
work
had to
before.
arrange- Huh?
You still had a job before, di ba?
Yeah. But On January 4th, I was back in the Philippines. That's how it went.
You know, honestly, I've never heard that before from anybody.
No, me neither. And I know what a kind of shit on the internet happens with scamming.
That's right, yeah. Because, you know, guys just don't do what you did.
Yeah, they don't. Especially, you know, foreigners, you gotta be sure. You never know, you know.
Well, you're never sure, are you?
Yeah.
And I was already traveling with a backpack.
Yeah.
So if it didn't work out,
Just to go back to what you were doing
I
before.
just still go around in the Philippines on my own, what I did already for 2.5 months. And then I go back to Holland.
Yeah, but because most of the foreigners that come here, before they come here, they already have relationship while they were
Like you.
chatting. Yeah, right?
Well,
No, I
An
mean,
online relationship
Yeah,
with a
they
woman
already
before
have-
they come. You had that too.
before they come over.
yeah, okay. Yeah, but you didn't.
No.
One had 4 hours, 5 hours.
We met 1.5 days before I came to the Philippines. Because it was Langkawi where I was in Malaysia, island. So in the evening, I told her that I would come to Cebu when we agreed on that. So the next morning, the first thing I did was cancel my ticket. Because I would stay for another couple of days in Langkawi, so that ticket was gone. I had to take my ticket away from Kuala Lumpur back to Holland, because I would fly from Kuala Lumpur back to Holland. So I had to book a new ticket for Langkawi to Kuala Lumpur, from Kuala Lumpur to Manila, and from Manila to Cebu.
All for this person right here.
The
Oh,
next morning after we talked,
the next person, and you guys talked. You chatted for how many
And
hours?
we can
4
also,
hours.
4 hours of
we
talking,
can
guys.
also meet in Manila. But I don't want to travel all the way to Manila because because
If he's a
I don't
serial
know-
killer, you
Yeah.
wouldn't know.
That's why I asked him to come to the nearest.
So since that date, it must be destiny. You've been together now 8 years. It's destiny.
Yeah, and now they have a child.
Meanwhile,
Oh, wait lang ha. Let's have the explanation first. Gary usually eats American food and pastas, chicken, stuff that he's familiar with. And now he's gonna eat the grilled squid. And he's scared. For the first time?
First time.
What? Daddy's making him eat.
Hey, he's making me. There we go.
Yeah, he's looking at you. Oh. You couldn't fake that. You could do better. Come on. Give me a better reaction.
Really good stuff. This one.
I'm so confused.
That's different.
It's good.
It's got a peppery taste to it.
Peppery, what?
A peppery taste.
Yeah,
I think it's the
pepper.
burnt something.
probably there is some pepper.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Come on, waiting for the second bite.
Oh, no.
You never eat
No,
that
no
small-
more second bite.
You never eat that small squid?
Never.
Adobo? It's nice.
Wow. Look at that, the joy in his eyes. The reaction.
Really great. Good try.
Hey, that's why we got pasta and pizza together with Filipino food.
got it right, mate. You got
See,
it right.
couldn't even swallow it.
He's still chewing.
Oh my god.
Keep filming.
Yeah. He can spit it out now.
It's still in his mouth.
Yeah, it's still there.
You watch this going down. You watch.
It's going down. Oh, it's all down.
It was very nice.
Yeah, that whole order is for you.
One more what? That one. No, I'm getting full actually.
You're getting full. Ay, nako.
Oh man, that was an experience.
Katatapos lang namin kumain. May eham pa. Sumabit yung pasta. Nagustuhan mo yung food? Masarap, di ba?
Oo, masarap ako yung ano. Ang sarap ng crispy pata nila.
Naghugas lang kami na kamay. Masarap yung food. Tapos, medyo maalat lang yung ibang mga pasta. Tapos yung iba medyo bland. Ang dami namin in-order. Yung mga timpla lang ng iba, medyo maalat. Tapos medyo, makunat yung balat ng crispy pata. Pero minimal, lang, masarap naman all in all. Hindi ka sanay. Hungry Jowa taking over. Nasa CR ka pa, me. Tama yung nanay ko nag-comment habang nasa CR.
Bebe.
Ah.
Tita, okay lang.
Ano tita? Lami?
Oo. Kasi mamang be.
Ayan, bukas yung pinto, nagsi-CR. Wait lang, video mani, oy.
Oh,
Wait lang ba?
ano yan?
Kaya niya nanay ko, oh. Di ba, oh? Oh, ah. Naghugas ka ba?
Oo naman, nakita ko.
Diba nandito talaga kami sa CR?
Dito tayo. Alit.
Mga heart to heart talk sila doon.
Salamat
Oh, diba, we're saying goodbye. Say goodbye na. Oh, diba? We talked about a lot of censored stuff. So we're not gonna, happy birthday to me. Oh, let's not forget the takeout. Diba? We talked about a lot of stuff that we cannot disclose. I think Gary is gonna question why he came tonight. Thank you. Diba?
Only 2 cars left.
Yeah. Boy, this is very late for us. Ayan, nandito na kami sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami. Galing din sa restaurant. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Kulitan lang and all. O, diba? O, kami, magbabay ka na sa vlog, oh.
Bye!
Nag-enjoy ka ba? Ako, nag-enjoy ako kasi hindi mabutas yung bulsa ko.
Hindi, nagsising ako.
Ayaw mo na ituloy. Balik na lang ako. 26 na lang ako ulit. Magbabay na, be.
Bye!
Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do whatever.
Nagbabay.
Oh, nagbabay din si Daddy from afar. Ate Ina, babay ka rin, ate. Te, pagbabay ba?
Bye-bye!
O, diba? Babay din si Ate Ina. O, diba?
Bye! Laging may
Lagi ba?
Thank you.